Hey everyone, welcome to this 5-minute meditation for sciatica. If you know me in this channel, you know that I'm a big fan of mindfulness. What you probably don't know is that I've had sciatica now for about 6 months. And while there are some amazing things we can do for the body, one of the key pieces I have found is adjusting our mindset around some of the sensations that go along with sciatica, the tingling, the pain, all that stuff that happens as a result of sciatica. So that's what this meditation is about. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes, or you can leave them open if you wish. And right here at the outset, just allow your body to sink into your seat, to be supported. Feel your feet against the earth. And now what we're going to do in this meditation is we're going to expand our awareness such that the mind isn't fixated on the sensations happening around our sciatica. The mind's able to see the bigger picture. So we're actually going to start by paying attention to any sensations, pain, pins and needles, tingling that you might be feeling in your legs at this moment, or down your hip, or in your lower back. And as we bring our attention to these sensations, see if you can do this from a place of curiosity. It's almost like you're getting really interested in the sensations of sciatica. I know how weird that sounds. Just go with me. And just noticing where the predominant sensations are. It's always useful to notice how they change from moment to moment. That in each moment there's a new picture of sensation happening. And now let's see what happens when we expand the field of awareness to include more than just these sensations. So we're not trying to get rid of these sensations, but we're just expanding the field of our awareness to now take into account the sensations happening in our entire body. Noticing the sensations of breathing even. That slight vibration happening at the tip of the nose. We can expand out the field of our awareness even further to include the entire room that we're in. So the sounds happening around us, let that also be part of your awareness. You can allow this field of awareness to expand even further. Maybe it expands to include your entire house or apartment building, or even your entire city. And of course, included within this huge scope of awareness are those sensations of your sciatica. But there's something really powerful about experiencing those sensations as a small part of this huge, much larger field of awareness. So just savor this for one more moment. And then as you slowly come back, opening up your eyes, see if you can take just a little bit of this bigger, more panoramic awareness where you're seeing or experiencing both the sensations of sciatica, but also everything else that's happening. See if you can bring that with you for the rest of your day.